Hey guys, welcome to Be Always Fortune. In this video we are going to see how to generate the Google Meet link. Okay guys, why we still waiting for? Let's dive into this video. For this we gonna to Chrome browser, and to Google Meet. Here you can generate the link in 3 ways. On first we gonna to see create a meeting for later. Here you can see link generated. Now you can copy this, and share this whoever you want to add on the meeting. And next we gonna to see start an instant meeting. And in here you can instantly start your meeting and also link share this whoever you want to add on the meeting. And finally we are going to see schedule in Google Calendar. And here you can add your proper guests. Also you can schedule your date and time for your meeting. I think this may helpful to many people. This is for today's video. Like if you liked, subscribe if you loved. See you soon with another one.